So a few weeks ago, me and my brother were down here, and we saw this tree, and we noticed that there was a pileated woodpecker hanging around it, and there was a big hole in the tree. So I nailed some boards up and climbed up and looked in with my phone, and sure enough, there was some eggs in there. So we're gonna go check out the nest. All right, so here's the tree. As you can see, I nailed, that's how I get up there. So I'm gonna have to turn this off while I climb up and get the chicks. What up? Okay, so I'm up here, and this is the hole. You probably can hear them in a few seconds here. Yeah, you can't really see them, but I'll get them out here. Okay, so here are the chicks. They are the cutest little things. I wish it would focus on them. They are so cute. They don't even have feathers or anything yet. It's actually a myth that the mom won't take them back. Like, I checked on them when they were eggs, and the mother gladly returned. She's actually kind of awkward, like her personality. She just comes up to the tree and she'll just look at you with her like big head. It's funny. But they're so adorable. Like, listen to them. And it's so sweet because like not many people get to experience this. And this is actually the first time I've ever posted a video of some of my wild encounters. But as you can see, they are totally hairless, or hairless, featherless. And their mouths, they just look like a big smile. Oh my goodness. Look at it go.